I tap on her shoulder, she turns around. Excuse me, what's your name? Vanessa. You know, my eyes got real big. I'm just like.
I'm so excited I get 2 rings this year. 2 rings, I get 2 rings. My wedding band is championship. This is my wife. This is my wife Vanessa. We met her actually a video shoot that I was filming. We have a beautiful baby girl. Her name is Natalia Diamante Bryant. And you know, she's just, she's amazing.
Thank you for never telling me no and always letting me have my way most of the time. Thank you for being patient and easygoing. Thank you for letting me burst your bubble every chance I got. Thank you for graciously taking all my harsh comebacks. Thank you for being the Mickey to my Minnie and the Noah to my Allie. Thank you for loving me enough to last lifetimes. In every lifetime, I choose you. I love you forever and always. Kobe, Dean, Bryant.